Yes, so I'm a scientist, and I will be the only scientist on council if elected. And I deeply believe that technology used appropriately, it has to be used appropriately, can deliver justice in a speedy and fair manner. Our law enforcement needs tools, and we have state-of-the-art crime lab. If we could get that with cutting-edge tools and properly trained personnel, it's very critical that we have people who know how to use the technology to process evidence, which then allows the police to take the case to the DA with unimpeachable evidence to charge and place this case on the docket for justice to occur. We have to be mindful that with accountability and consequences, we craft a system that accurately brings perpetrators to justice and removes bias and has restorative justice practices included in our system of consequences, or else we're just a revolving door of the same perpetrator circling through our justice system. So I think we have an opportunity to have a brand new forensics science center. If we can I think there's been money allocated already. $65 million has been proposed, and there are proposals now for the site. I think it's critical we find those resources and we make sure we actually make this happen. Currently, there was a $5 million proposed in the current budget, and the federal government kicked in some money. So that gave us a little bit of a head start, but eventually we will need a space. As a scientist, I actually did DNA analysis at the bench. So I know what it takes to have a clean space. By clean, I mean, to make sure there's no contamination. So you need a new building that has never had anything there before, which means we have to build something new. And I am of the thought that if we have those tools, it'll allow us to get to these prosecutions much faster. So thank you for asking this very important question.